All right, if you got a Dodge Ram 1500, 2005, even to 2002, any 2000s, from the 8, 9, 10, Dodge Ram 1500, and you got a gear shifter cable, this is how you're gonna replace it. So basically, you're gonna come in here, you're gonna take off your panel. You got this kind of panel, takes your dash panel that goes under here. It takes 2 screws at the bottom, which is right there and right there. You'll unscrew those. It's about an 8mm socket or a screwdriver. You'll take your metal panel right here. I just let mine drop. You'll drop that. Now this is your gear shifter cable right here. So basically it hooks on to up there. As you can see, yep, it hooks on that silver knob right there, and it connects to the gear shifter, and it goes all the way to right there. So basically what I did was got a flathead screwdriver. You'll have some clamps that'll go in like that. If I can get it right, damn. It'll go in like that. You'll take a flathead screwdriver, pop this out, boom. It frees it. Then once you get all that taken out from underneath, you'll come underneath the truck. So you'll come under here. Oh, excuse me. Damn. All right. So as you can see right there is the gear shifter cable. So let me point to it if I can get to it. It's kind of dirty up under here. Shit, went mud bogging yesterday. So, right, as you can see, right there, you'll just take a flathead, unhook that, take your pin, push this in right here. You'll push that in, it'll drop down and release. Then you'll be able to take the whole cord out, and then you can put the new cord in. Just repeat the steps backwards. If this video helped you, like and subscribe.